What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to do this quick video on this steering wheel cover that I purchased for my 10th gen Honda Civic. This also works for plenty of other Hondas as well. Pretty much all the Civics, all the Accords, CR-Vs and stuff like that use the same size steering wheel as in the Civic. Alright, so the Honda Civic steering wheel, it's plenty fine. I like the little grooves here, the little indents, gives you a little race inspired kind of feel. But with the sun, it just kind of deteriorates the top here. A lot of times this can crack. Mine hasn't done that yet. I use a sun visor as much as I can, but as you can see here, the top of it is just disconnected from the actual metal part of the steering wheel. It's just really annoying having this move around. So I'm hoping that once I install this, which is just attached basically by tension, that's gonna fill that tension and kind of grip here better, and then it's not going to wobble around, and then also just give me a nicer feel, because of course this is just the basic stock. I don't know if this is rubber or what, but it's just really not very inspiring. It's not leather wrapped or anything like that. This one is not leather wrapped either, but it has more of a leather feel. It's definitely a lot more premium as well. Now it comes in the box like this, but I did notice, you can see here, there's like a fold here, fold here, pretty much on all four corners it has that little fold. So I'm hoping that goes away once I put it on, and if not, over time it'll start to you know, kind of cinch its way onto the wheel and just even out. Now the actual design, I like it a lot. It's just really basic. I didn't really want anything flashy like colors or carbon fiber or anything like that. This is just a perforated kind of leatherette type of material, and that follows through all the way around. And then on the back side here, so talking about the actual design, as you can see, there's some patterns here with more, again, that leather type of material, but it's not perforated. I don't know if I want that in the front, or if I just want a basic standard clean look like this. Now I'm pretty sure this is meant to be on the front, so I guess I will put it like that. There is a seam right here, which you're supposed to put on the very bottom. Important thing is just to keep this thing aligned with the bottom stitching here with the bottom of the wheel. So I'm just going to go ahead and start down here and try my best to keep it centered. So you want the front exposed here, and you're just going to going all the way around, stretching it over on the back side. That's how it goes. Now this is tight, but that's a good thing, because that only means it's going to be really secure on the wheel once it's installed. It is a cold winter day today, so maybe that is why this is a little bit extra tight. If you're installing this in the summer, that's probably going to be a good thing, because it's going to be more flexible. You'll be able to work with it a little bit better. Alright, that's the very last part of it. I can already tell the feeling alone is much better than the OEM cheap, I don't know, foam, rubber, whatever that is. Your steering wheel is going to look brand new essentially, because it's covered with this. Alright, so it's installed. It's just a matter of getting it centered on the wheel, making sure you don't have any high spots, any low spots. I can see here with my seam, it's right here in the center of the wheel, so it's aligned perfectly. And I just like the added size to the wheel. It doesn't feel like a little toy anymore. It feels much more premium. Again, this leatherette material is really high quality. And those little bumps that I had initially with those four corners are almost gone. There's a little bit, one right here. Feel one right here and one right here, but it's really, really minimal. I just really like the overall look and feel. I think it's a huge improvement. Highly recommend it. So check it out in my link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.